The number 6. These 6 bees are insects. Each has 6 legs. These 6 beetles are insects. Each has 6 legs. These are 6 flies. All insects. Each has 6 legs. These 6 dragonflies are insects. Each has 6 legs. These 6
Wasps.
wasps are insects. Each has 6 legs. These 6 grasshoppers are insects. Each has 6 legs. All insects have 6 legs.